That's ice. Did you say we still launch from up here? This epic slide that Matt told me I had to do. Woo-hoo-hoo! Better than I thought it would be. All right, here we are. We're at the put in of Johns Creek.
Jacob Martin, he's the mayor now.
Well, the only solid video I could find on the entire internet was on downstream. It was a good kind of overlay. I really think someone could watch that and pretty much show themselves down this with no problem. You've covered everything there. I'm only in this reactor because I'm like, I just don't want to be vertical. It's not like freezing cold, but it's sure not warm. This layout kind of reminds me of like Plateau in the Tennessee, the way it's kind of like flat water put in and then it starts picking up.
I think it's right about 670. Pretty healthy medium.
Yeah, because your video was like 450, 500, probably someone. All right, so a little bit of a paddle in, maybe not even a mile of kind of class 1, 2. It seems like we're coming to the first bit of kind of rapids. You're on a new run and you just don't know what to expect, whether it's class 2 to class 5, take a reactor and you're probably going to be fine the whole way. Not going to do much beta. I'm just going to kind of read and react to where it goes.
I was like, I'm just not
We got this hot dog. Why you got pogies on? You okay?
It's fucking cold.
Oh.
So one person are awake.
Oh, we're gonna make it 2 people. Yeah. Oh, this is a fun run. I can already tell you this was worth the drive up. The rocks are pretty smooth out here, everybody. Didn't like that tree. Another tree right there. That way? Oh, you 360 that. I can see it. Oh yeah, that one. That's easy. Yeah! Was that supposed to do the barrel roll?
Yeah, you didn't give me that lesson?
Oh, the window shade?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Woo!
That's right, motherfucker.
That was a good one. There it was.
Yeah, man.
Big John.
Check one off the list for you.